Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today I want to show you some fun fold cards I made with the new Love for You stamp set with the matching Love for You dies. They look like this. And these are the cards. So much love. These are all separate words, but you also can get the inside and the outline of them for you. And I use the stamps here. Here's a different color, Blackberry Bliss, for the different inside for you. Here's another one that uses the different words there. Each and every day, and nobody gets me like you. Oops. Nobody gets me like you get me. And this is the one we're doing today. So much love for you. So let's get started. We're going to start with a card base measuring 5.5 by 8.5. Whoops. Scored by 4 1/4. A piece of DSP measuring 4 by 5 1/4. And then the inside is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 3.5, 4 1/4, and 5. You can take a screenshot of that if you want the measurements. Get my bone folder. I'm going to fold along the score. That's your card base. Here is your DSP. Excuse my reach. I'm going to get some Stampin' Seal and put some in the corners and adhere it here, centering it there. And then for the part that's in the inside that holds the words, do you see how the inside fold looks like that? So we're going to fold those. So for the first line, fold it in, or a valley. The second one's a mountain sticking up here, and the last one is a valley. So basically you're making an M there, and we're going to put it inside of the card. And the easiest part is probably to line it up and give it a little edge here. Does that make sense? And then as it closes, it'll open like that. So let's put our adhesive here. Only on these edges. You want this part to be free. So you can do it there. And let's put it so it has a little edge on this side, a frame, and then same on this side, a little frame. Pressing the adhesive and testing it out. Yep. It's going to go ahead and open. So we're going to get the letters ready. I went ahead and cut the skinny word and the outline for you. And they do have an outer line that also is for both words for you, but I wanted to make them complete for each one. And once you cut one letter, it doesn't go all the way in, and I'll show you what that means. I get some glue on the back of this. And then here's the 4. A little glue for the U. And then I'm just going to get just this edge part, just to complete. There. And then there. That way. Because if you tried to use this for the 4, it wouldn't be complete. And if you tried to use this for the U. So I just did it that way. And then, before I adhere it, I want to decorate the sides. like that. So we'll start with the big flower, and it is a two-step stamping. If you haven't done it before, you have like an outline and then a detailed inside part. And I am using Petal Pink. So I like to do the outline first. And I like to put a little scratch paper here. And I stamp off. What that means, I don't want the color to be full strength. I want it to be second generation, if that makes sense. So it's a little lighter. So I'll do that again on this side. Do you see that? It's a little lighter. Then this inside design is going to be full strength. Let's see if I can get it lined up. Isn't that pretty? So it gives that little accent, but if you do the stamping off, you can actually see the difference, and only use one ink color, which I really like in the two-step stamping. So let's repeat that with the smaller flower, and we're going to do a couple of those. So here's the outline again. I'm going to stamp off and do a couple here, one on this side, and let me repeat on the other side. Stamp off here. Let's do the design. Sometimes I have to keep flipping until I find the direction. There we go. Full strength. This is Pool Party. Alright. Then let's get ready for the leaves, and we'll do the same technique in Old Olive. So the outline, stamp off, outline, stamp off here, and then the design, the detailed design for the leaves, full strength. Isn't that pretty? Alright, so now we're ready for our words. And I'm going to start with the 4, I think, leaning on this side. So I'm going to get some glue for that. Just on the first side, so it'll lean here. Well, that dries. The U is going to be here, so I'm going to put the glue on this side. At an angle would look nice, I think. So I'm going to close it just for a test. Let that dry. And let me get my other words. I had a lot of fun with this die. So I need the So Much Love. So we got so. Should we do yellow? And how about that? How does that look? All right, now that we have the words chosen, I'm going to put the extra ones away for another card. And here's the outline for the whole message. So let's get the glue out. Let's do some placement just to make sure I'm doing this so it lines up. So you can see, you can stamp, you can glue the skinny words on. It's either way. So let's start with the much since it's in the middle. That way I'll know the other letters are lined up. It's a little easier to see. And then I'll do the so. It is at an angle a little bit, and then the love. Lining that little notch up there. I'm going to flip this over and get some dimensionals on this side. Give it a little lift for this part. Always put one in the middle so it doesn't kind of dip down. And get the release papers off. Alright. That is it. So much love for you. So thanks for letting me share this with you. Let me get these so you can see all the cards. All the different variety of cards that we made. And the insides. How's that? So thanks for letting me share this with you. I hope you have a great day. If you like this video and would like to see more tutorials, please like, subscribe, or comment, and I'd appreciate your support. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.